What's up, guys? Anthony here, Special Analysis. Welcome to the video. Happy to have you here. Looking at the British pound US dollar currency pair here in the Forex market. Profit Pack does a phenomenal job employing that simplistic five-step approach, right? So we're looking for a trend change, correction through the profit band, trigger candle to print, looking to consider our entry based on that trigger candle, our stop based on that trigger candle, and then we want to pay and protect ourselves as the market continues in an overall direction. Now listen, this is rather tight price action, and I wanted to do this video specifically because even in a market that is rather tight, as long as we're still stretching our legs, we can still take both long and short positions, depending on how aggressive that you want to be. But I want you to notice something here. We have a very quick trend change, a very quick pullback, an explosive move higher. We have a more drastic trend change here. We have a correction, a little more defined than this correction, and then a trigger candle that takes an explosive move lower. I wanted to shoot this video specifically because I want to show you how two successful scenarios can look very different, right? So you have to be able to be the nimble trader that says, hey, am I going to wait for something to look super specific? Am I going to be a little more aggressive here? Myself personally, the one I like a little bit better is you could see that price action in this range created some indecision. Ultimately, the buyers took out that indecision, and then the sellers took out that indecision. If you notice the low of this candle, if I pulled that straight across the board, basically pulled right back into what would now be considered a new area of resistance. So trend change, right? A little more of an established trend here than here. You can see this is very short. This is a little bit longer. I like this. This tells me that there's more selling energy. I take that pullback through the profit band, just shallow of all this price action where all this indecision was contained, and then boom. So yes, does this work? Sure, it does. Is this a more qualified, more established trend? It is. So again, it comes down to personal preference on your approach to the market, but I want to just take this video and this example with both of these setups, both long and short, to show you a little bit of the difference here. This trend, very shallow, right? Very shallow correction. This trend, much more defined, a much more defined correction. Myself personally, which one would I have considered? I would have considered the short over the long. Not that the long didn't work out, I just feel like the short was more qualified. So your level of qualifying your trade, I'm going to certainly leave up to you because I'm certainly not here to dictate to you how to trade or how much to risk or how to qualify your trade. I'm just simply here to teach you techniques that I've learned over the dozen years of experience that I've built in this industry, trading for myself, helping my clients do exactly the same. So I encourage you, below this video, there's a whole bunch of content. Click some links, watch some videos, absorb the content, take some notes, send me an email. Let me answer your questions, okay? I don't charge for consultations, all right? We'll take the next step when or if you're ready to. And if you decide to take that next step, we can get your hands on the Profit Pack within 24 short hours, have you up and running, and you can be looking at stocks, futures, Forex, cryptocurrencies, whatever it is that you desire to trade. You could start molding that plan to you, to your approach, to the markets that you trade, and start better being able to read price action with the simplicity that the SA bars provide, and start employing this very simplistic five-step methodology that the Profit Pack is designed to be used around, and take that information, that data, this approach, the learning that you're going to get from using this software, and employ that into your own personal trading. And you should be able to better interpret what price action has done and what it's more likely to do by using the techniques that I've just showed you inside of this video. So again, I encourage you to consume that content, take some notes, email me whatever questions you may have. We'll have a conversation. I'll address all your questions. If the Profit Pack's right for you, if it's affordable for you, if it's something that you believe can help your trading, again, we'll get you up and running within 24 hours. I will see you in the next video, and I hope you have a blessed day.